It causes a lot of problems when sensor signals in devices don't get labeled immediately. Retrospective labeling involves high risk of bad tagging. Cheap smart devices and cheap device parts come from China. Users use Chinese applications to manage the data from those devices. This means sensitive user data is processed and stored outside of the European Union. We think European data should be created, stored and processed in the EU. There are free and paid services that provide dataset labeling. All of them work with image, video and audio data or text. None of them is made for raw sensor data labeling. Furthermore, there is no existing solution that covers the whole data workflow in the same system from raw data during each processing step. This scope provides a strong GDPR-compatible system since each state of data is connected with their labels, and we can always trace back the data processing. The existing solutions don't handle the sensitivity of the data points. We use legal labels to describe the sensitivity of each data point. However, when we use a well-working labeling method, the exported dataset always will be labeled, so there is no need to use other services. That's why we label data points from sensors or devices and not whole datasets. The greatest advantage of our solution is to provide a traceable data lifecycle where each data point is labeled at each state. Labels can come from static templates through classical algorithms till AI models. Let's imagine a European startup implements our service into their smart bracelets. They send data through the user's mobile phone to us. Another company makes smart rings and puts our solution into their mobile app, not into the device. They send us not only the raw data, since they implement an AI solution that predicts the possibility of heart attack. The user buys both devices in a local gym that uses the service of our challenge sponsor. As the user runs on a marathon in another country, they share their health data with a doctor in the doctor's language. Thanks to our system and the unified labeling, there are no lingual barriers at all. If the user falls and their legs have to be X-ray checked in a hospital that uses our service, we can store the screening images, the opinion of the doctor, or the result of an AI system that predicts bone fractures. All this can be managed with us. This is a brand new idea made for this hackathon. During the ideathon phase and the hackathon, we made code, demo, BMC, UML diagrams. We have all the skills to build this system. Please support us. Thank you.